And the Reggae Boys have also expressed disappointment with the government's decision to once again not permit spectators for the home games during the World Cup qualifiers. Simon Preston has that story.
For the third home game out of 4, no fans were permitted to cheer on the Reggae Boys. Reggae Boys defender Damien Lowe believes the spectators would have carried the team over the line.
To be honest, the government needs to do better, because today I think the guys fought so hard, and it shows that if we had fans in the stadium today, we would have gotten it over the line. You see, like in the 80th minute, we're up 1-0 with 10 men against Mexico. Mexico is ranked what, 15th or something like that. It's a powerhouse. They've been to what? How many World Cups? You know, we've been to one, and we managed to bring them to the line. If we had fans in the stands today, we would have won the game. No doubt about that.
Similar sentiments were expressed by coach Paul Hall.
We know what it's like when the fans are in the building. Even if it was 5,000, probably needed that to carry us a little bit. You know, they're our 12th man, and obviously it did affect us.
Going down 10 and then going up a goal, having them to really push us and to be there behind us would have been, really good.